two headers, no lights. Tomorrow I'm gonna do some little maintenance on it just to make sure everything's good and clean. But like I said, people, the whole point of this is to show you like what I can do. I'm not a real shop, so I'm not trying to like kill everybody. But I do like Silverados, and that's really what I want to. The Silverados, I can kill it, guys. And give you what you need, or make it do what it wants to do. I'd be seeing these other car people, and you know what? They buy every goddamn thing. So then you hear people say my blood, sweat, and tears. It's like, no, you didn't. All you did was go to work and pay for somebody else to do it. So that's just what I'm about.